This is Morgan Freeman, or at least an AI version of me. You see, I never recorded this, and yet here I am talking to you. That's how far artificial intelligence has come. It can now recreate voices, faces, and even full identities without permission. And while that sounds impressive, it's also deeply unsettling. My voice has narrated movies, documentaries, and guided people through history. It carries trust. But now, that very trust can be used against you. AI can copy me, say things I never said, sell things I never approved, spread lies with my voice. We are now living in an era where truth is optional. AI can manufacture reality, videos that never happened, speeches never given, warnings never spoken. In 2024, a deepfake robocall mimicking a presidential voice tried to manipulate voters. The voice sounded real because it was designed to fool, and it did. Imagine that power in the hands of those who wish to harm, not help. Now pause for a moment. If this resonates with you, I want you to hit subscribe right now. This channel, AI Smart Hustles, isn't just about how to use AI to make money. It's about understanding the tools, their risks, and using them responsibly. So click subscribe, hit the bell, and stay one step ahead. Back to our story. In Hong Kong, scammers created a deepfake of a CEO. They used it in a live video meeting to trick an employee into wiring $25 million. The face, the voice, the mannerisms, all fake and all convincing. A mother in Arizona received a call from her son crying, saying he'd been kidnapped. She heard his voice shaking, desperate. But it wasn't real. It was an AI-generated clone. These aren't hypotheticals. They're happening now. Your voice, your face. Your story can be stolen and rewritten in seconds. AI doesn't just replicate reality anymore. It rewrites it. So how do we fight back? We don't fear AI. We master it. We build safeguards. We think critically. We verify before we trust. Just like fire, AI can warm or destroy. Depends on who lights the match. And if you've watched this far, you're someone who wants to use AI the right way. So here's what to do. Like this video, comment below with your thoughts, and share this with one friend who needs to hear it. And if you haven't already, subscribe. This is AI Smart Hustles. We teach you how to harness the power of AI without being fooled by it. Because not everything that looks real is real. But knowledge, it's always real. Stay alert. Stay informed. Stay smart.